morning, everybody. It's Deb here with Creative Life, and thank you all so much for joining me today on day 3 of the Spring Series 2021 with Rosa Kelly and Martha Tucker. So today, y'all, I have these super cute little lace rosettes. Now I know these have been around for a while, okay, but I just wanted to share. I just think that they are so pretty. Whoops, the little boot's upside down. I just want to share with you real quick about these are so easy to make. Again, these are great for cards, scrapbook pages, little embellishments to send happy mail to someone. And I just thought that these were super cute to share. And you know, you can make them really springy and you can dress them up with flowers and butterflies, buttons, and all of your crafty scraps you've got in your room. And that is what brought me to this little tutorial that I have for you, is because I had some lace left over, right? And nobody likes to throw away their scrap pieces of lace, right? So we save them and we hoard them forever until you get a big old ball of them. And so I thought it would be fun to use up our scraps to make these beautiful little lace pieces. So I went ahead and did a little short tutorial for you guys and show you how I made these and what I used. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start these little rosette, lace rosettes, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did it. So you're going to need a 1-inch punch, okay, and then you're going to go ahead and lay your adhesive, whatever double adhesive you have, okay, and you're just going to lay that across some paper, okay, and I am just going to go ahead and tear off a piece here, and then I'm just going to lay it down on a scratch piece of paper, just like that, okay, and just burnish that in real good. Okay, and then you can go ahead and just punch out your circle, okay, just like that, and then you're going to go ahead and peel this part off, okay, just like that. All right, so the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need your hot glue gun, and you're going to need a piece of scrap lace. Now this one has the little binding, or I guess it's stitched at the bottom, right? I actually removed that because to me it just seems like it adds a little bit of bulkiness to the little rosette, and you don't get much flexibility with that little piece on. So I just cut that off just like that, okay? And then you can still ravel it and, you know, scrunch it, or, you know, up as you go. So to put this on, you're going to go ahead and go about, now since it's 1 inch, you're going to go ahead and go about maybe a little bit halfway in, okay, and then you're just going to go ahead and see how I'm layering it over each other like this as I go around, okay. So that is how you're going to do that. And I just go ahead and lay mine flat, and then as I go around, I just kind of scrunch it up a little bit, just like that. Now with your hot glue gun, what you can do is place your hot glue down on top of the lace, okay, so it stays, okay, and then you can place it all a little bit on the circle as well. And you're just going to go ahead and bring those in, okay, just like that. Just like that, okay, and then you can cut off the excess, okay, so I'm just going to cut that off, and then see how mine is popping up in different places. What you can do is you can definitely just go ahead, add your glue gun, or add your glue, okay, go ahead and set that down just like that, okay, be careful not to burn yourself. Haven't done that yet, so hopefully I don't. So Yeah, that's the worst part about being on a camera is that when you burn yourself, it really hurts. Y'all know it. So, um, then you're done. So now we can just go ahead and we can decorate that. And I've got glue. Okay, so during the decorating part, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward during this part. And as you'll see, I'm just using a bunch of different items that I have in my stash, like buttons and gems and all kinds of different things. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing my stickles and I'm just going to place it on the flowers and then around the lace. And for the stickles, I used a variety of different ones. I have crystal, I have icicle, and then I also have stardust. So I think you can use any one of those. Also, there is diamond. So I think I used any one of those for stickles that I had in my stash. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. So now we just set this aside so it will dry, and that is how you're going to make some of these little cute lace rosettes. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one, but this time I'm going to use some resin roses that I have, along with some tulle that I have in my stash, and also some string pearls. So I wanted to just share with you how you can also use those type of items to embellish your little rosettes. So there we go, you guys. So look at how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so dainty. And then of course we did this little boot one, and that is super cute. And it's all dried, so yeah, so look at how cute these are. And then I did this one here. This one is a half of one. It looks like a little fan. It reminds me of a little fan because I didn't have enough lace to go around the whole entire circle, so I went ahead and just cut it off at the bottom here. I put a little bit of a pearls on there, string pearls, and then added the little butterfly and everything. It's so cute. So there's that, and then here is the other one that has little pearls on it too. So I hope that you all liked this little short tutorial on how to make some spring embellishments for your packages or for cards or scrapbook pages. Thank you so much for joining us for the 6-day spring series. I really appreciate y'all stopping by. And don't forget to check out Rosa and Martha's channels. The links are down below. And also don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the videos, okay? So you can be eligible to win the prizes. Thanks again, y'all. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.